It's just it's canter, but I don't understand why it's not cantering then. Or galloping, right? Gallop final. See, that's the problem, right?
I can't
Suddenly,
see because you're not streaming.
no, but suddenly he name changed the animations
There you are.
because in the code I have the name Gallop Final because that was what it was called in the last model, but now it's suddenly called Gallop, which means it doesn't change
Right.
because it's incorrect naming.
So is that the issue between the gallop not working?
So if I just do this, it should work.
Seriously, that's the issue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
So,
god.
but also if you check out the list, right? I know he has sketches and such, which is perfectly fine. But if we can agree, or if we can agree with Eric having some sort of like capital with either underscores or without, like where
He
it's
can
just like
put them
this.
in folders if you go down. Oh, he doesn't have them there, but he usually has it in a folder where you can see Hugo's original animations that we don't use. So he could put his sketches in one folder and the finals in a different one.
If that shows up on my screen, fair enough. That could be good enough.
Mhm.
But also, if we just like agree on
A naming scheme.
a naming scheme, yeah, exactly. Because suddenly you can see like galloping not working, meaning it didn't actually show the gallop animation. Which is not a problem, but it's such a simple and annoying thing that and then there's like Buck and there's Buck and I'm like, okay, which one? There's walk and walk too, and there's two different, right? That's the one. Fair enough. So that should be that then.
I should be streaming right now, but apparently it's not registering that I'm streaming anymore.
Who?
Me.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not registering that I'm streaming anymore.
Oh.
It should, yeah,
That's
it
weird.
should be right here though. Yeah, it is. Because it's a new stream. Whenever.
So.
Alrighty.
I will be back in a little bit.
See you later.
Good. See ya.
What do you say, B? Sorry?
Oh, nothing. I was asking if I could talk to her
There we
grandma,
go.
but she didn't listen to me.
So you did a third one now.
Yeah, I believe that's the third one.
Nice. So that's that. The speed does change.
Yeah,
it
so the
just
only
has to
thing
be-
posted on the... See, our last video was... Like, we're doing it now. And then our last video was that one. Was the 4-hour one that we did.
Yeah,
we need to call it deving alpha. What version are we working on right now?
Depending on how many bugs I fix, it's switching up.
0.21.2.11, essentially.
Yeah, that's the current.
That's what we're working on at the moment. So I'm just gonna call it that. Alpha deving SWEM. Yay.
Yay.
Save. There we go. So now it's got the correct name. Now we're doing good things. Yay.
Yeah.
And then the other two videos, the one that's 18 seconds is still up.
I didn't know that the Twilight Forest updated. Where's my client? I didn't grab that thing.
Change it to private, and there, 18 seconds gone. That was an accidental one. There we go. Ooh, scary black box. I don't like scary black boxes.
Uh,
Added hardness to stall doors.
Ooh.
Hello, Lolita and Raven again.
We need to tell Matt to enable the whatever it's called config on the alpha test server.
Lapis cycle coats.
Mm-hmm. Also, we had an issue last night where someone tried to do it in single player and they couldn't find it.
It's under the worlds folder.
I know, they said that you normally go where everyone else puts their stuff like that and they couldn't find it.
So if I go in here, I go Minecraft. If I go under saves, it's not under config.
Right.
That might be an issue because many might have like configs in here, but it's actually under saves. Find the world that you're playing in. Let's take create test here. And then under server config, we have it's not in here because that was a create one. Okay, new world.
Number 6,
Let's see.
Guido.
SWEM server.toml, right? It's
Right.
not in this, but that's the server config
Mm-hmm.
where you have these config options.
Right. Okay, I understand. Well, I'll tell her that and see if it does any good.
Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna work. I hope it does.
Let's see. So that's that. 50 bucks reported. When another player's horse crashes game when oh no, please don't.
Oh no!
It's the same shit. I thought I even looked at Peachy's tack box and it didn't crash though.
I don't
Go
know.
multiplayer. Someone tame swim horse each get on other players' horses and open inventory crash. Swim horse inventory screen 92. Thank you, Star, for putting the logs in. That's beautiful. Actually, so it was swim horse inventory screen. Line 92 here, owner name, right? So that's a null pointer exception. So I'm guessing getting the player by get owner unique ID doesn't
Do that.
get name may produce null pointer exception. So this might produce might be null. Right, so do you know what we do? We'll first get the player by UUID. No, first we'll get the owner's unique ID, which returns a UUID, and we'll check if it's not null.
This. And I'm going to remove that because that's stinky. Ooh, hiccups.
See, but that's not the issue. And then owner UUID. That's the issue. Okay, that might be null. So get owner. That's nullable.
B, what are you doing?
What?
Anything fun?
No, I'm not doing anything fun.
Have you been on the
just,
server in a bit? There's been some updates.
No, I have not. I've been schooling. Oh god.
Damn. Else, we will just print player not found. That should show. Thank you, Catalin. I try my best. Oh Get name may produce null pointer exception. Game profile get name. So get how? How is that a
Legend works
normal
very,
thing?
very hard. He works like 5 days a week on SWEM. 4 to 5 at least a few hours a day. He is a machine.
I think that you're just holding him hostage, Hannah.
Yes,
Blink twice
I
and
will
you
not
know.
release the soda until he completes the mod. I won't do it. I'm sleepy.
Did you not sleep last
Why
night?
do I keep writing dev? I don't
I did.
understand.
My social battery is just drained.
Mm. Oh crap! I have to do my fucking. Gotta do that. I gotta remember it.
Yep,
Yep.
Legend does work for free. Not exactly sure why, but he chooses to work on the project as a volunteer just like everyone else does. We all work for free. If we had to pay for his skills, the mod would never be made. Legend would be overwhelmingly expensive.
Actually, that's the funny thing, right? I don't think I would price myself that high because whenever I do like work for people, especially people that maybe like I don't exactly know, but it's some of my friends' friends. I'm so generous and I'm like
I'm just
basically
so
base
generous.
basically take around 20 to 30% of what the original price would be if they would have to, let's say, go out and hire a Shopify developer, right?
Right.
But then again, I'm like, I'm not trying to be a dick, but I'm not also going to like, let's say, just spend my time for free for anyone, right? So in case something
Right.
that would have costed people, let's say $200, right? I would maybe charge, I don't know, 30, 40 apparently for somebody.
Well, I
Just
mean, this
because
job, though, and how much you work on it, like, you've been working on this project for like 6 months. So 6
if it's an
months,
hourly pay rate, you betcha.
that's what I mean. We would never be able to, honestly, we would never be able to afford anyone because every single person on this project is working for free, including me. I mean, it's not like I'm getting any money out of this. You just keep adding numbers onto the end. Oh no, that was 0.12. Okay. I thought you did 0.1, 0.2, and I'm like, you know what?
What's this?
Inventory. Oh. When accessing a SWEM horse's inventory, hi, I'm Minecraft and I'm a crashaholic. So that's basically the same thing. C hashtag 50.
Oh, such as Jade.
So that didn't fix it apparently. It might have fixed it for the tag box at least. I know that also crashed.
Oh, don't do that. Being a bad boy. There we go. That goes there.
Do I want to try and register items for piglins? Seems kind of interesting, right? Let's first figure out how the piglin works.
Ooh, that sounds like a fun one. The getting the gold items to register.
Yeah, piglin tasks. That's a bunch of gibberish. Oh god. Nearest visible zombie find. Activity admire item.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Admire item. Where's admire item?
Oh. I recognize
Oh, that's
that.
pick up wanted item.
Where's Puppy? Puppy! Here, boy. Here, boy. Oh.
If it's inviting an item, okay. So might not be the direct thing we're looking for. Let's try and look in the brood brain, brood entity, bartering edition. No, brood specific center.
Maybe under sensor?
Piglet entity. I think it should just be like maybe the entity itself. It cannot hunt. Notify data manager change. Block another one. Here. No, that's set it. See, I thought it was this, right? Because that has golden in it. But that is basically gives armor or weapon for entity based on given difficulty instance. So that's basically if they can carry golden armor.
Right. So if you put our stuff in that list, basically we would be destroyed immediately.
They will start to carry like our armor pieces.
Right, and then they would murder us. Because our armor is
Maybe.
pretty OP.
Update AI tasks. Get experience points. There's something here. Oh, that's a golden sword. I think that's basically the same thing. Just with the item it can have as a weapon. Ranged attack. Oh, let's see here. Let's go ask the wonderful people that know so much.
Hello. This is my 50 billionth time asking for help. That comma is unnecessary. There you go. Oh, look how polite your message is. You're gonna be ignored.
Yeah. Hello. Where does Picklin look for gold items?
I mean, Google.
Give me help. Let's try and just look for Picklin Minecraft. Should be one there. Maybe mention something. Behavior, aggregation, behavior. So they get a short range with light aggravation if it's not wearing any piece of gold armor. Oh, if you put down a chest near them and if you open, you aggregate them. Damn. And if you break anything, that's gold. So we need to look for something where these aggravation things are, maybe. That might be in the
Maybe you can just type in aggravation, because that's the term they're using.
Piglin brute brain. Piglin tasks. Piglin brute specific sensor. It should also be like the Piglin brute. That's basically the same as like a Piglin, right?
I guess.
Gold. Nearest targetable player not wearing gold.
Alright.
So that's a memory module type. And how is that on the player entity? So how is that used? Update. With it optional 5. Where's optional 5? Player entity. Can hostile AI target Piglin tasks? If item stack makes Piglin neutral. So the item stack. Okay, nice.
I don't understand any of this. Doodah, doodah.
So basically Forge patched this into the item stack, where they have then included a method where like this is called by piglins to check if a given items prevent hostility on site. If this is true, the piglins will be neutral to the entity wearing this item and will not attack on site. Note, this does not prevent piglins from becoming hostile due to other actions, nor does it make piglins that are already hostile stop being so. But the thing is, right, if I quickly build me another portal, it shouldn't attack me while I'm on the horse, though.
They do.
They do?
When I tried it, they do. What is that name? Oh, Y test. I thought it was yeast. It was like you literally named your horse yeast.
Walk through.
The first 2 times I had my horse walk through, it was easy. Like, I didn't have problems at all, so I don't know why this is having more problems than it should.
Okay, just oh god. Get out. All the way out. Let's ride you around for a bit. Let's go back here. Let's do
The way
something
that I
like
did it, where I didn't have any trouble, was I rode the horse into the portal and sat there for 3 seconds and was like submerged completely in the portal. Like sideways. Yeah, like that. And I stayed there for a good 3-4 seconds and then hopped off and we teleported at the same time. That was only 2 seconds, you big old dork.
that was not 2 seconds.
Was 2.
Go!
Go into the hell realm. Hell realm. Do it. This might be a thing to make it easier for it to go through. I don't know why sometimes it registers animals and sometimes it doesn't.
Right, what if we just, you know...
Made big boy.
There's no way. I like how you can make any size another portal now. It's so cool, actually. Go! What the fuck? Hello? God. Well... Oh, right, I don't even have to. Gosh. Oh, I think I have it on peaceful, yeah. That is not... Is that piglins?
It's a zombie piglin.
So they will attack me.
I think they should. If you're not wearing
No.
gold. I'm not certain. I don't really go to the nether, so...
What piglins do attack me then?
We'll go hit him.
That guy. Right, I first of all just need to set up here. Oh, right, okay.
One lemony boy. Can that horse
Absolutely.
not walk straight into lava? That'd be great.
Okay, so you are gonna smack me, but you're smacking the player, not the horse, right? So you don't care about the horse. So we don't need to make the horse.
Well, the reason is because the horse armor has gold on it. So if the horse
Mhm.
has gold on it, then a horse is like you can be safe on the back of a horse, but as soon as you hit the ground, if you don't have gold, then you're a separate entity. And then it'll attack your butt. Was my thinking.
Makes Picklin neutral. Wait, this doesn't even makes Picklin neutral. Right, so I can just that's the iForge item. So if I override this on the item. But can this also happen? No, because I don't check the horse. But then I could do some.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, fine. Just
No,
player armor.
it's wonder like it's a nice thing. I get why. I just have no idea how at the
Just
moment.
player armor then, it's fine.
So
As long as
armor
player armor
that one.
works.
So basically, from gold riding boots, we need go in here. We need to override. Scroll down to iForge item. Make Picklin's neutral. Return true.
Do you have to
So
like
that will happen.
specify? Oh, your gold riding boots. Okay. So that has to
So
be
that will happen
gold.
for all riding boots. So now we need the amethyst leggings, helmet,
Anything golden up. So that also includes diamond.
SWEM armor item. Yeah, but gold, like diamond, is overriding gold, so it inherits all its methods.
Right.
Right. So you only have to do that. Made
Oh, I'm back.
Hey,
SWEM
Star.
armor. Not
Maybe.
Not
made SWEM
aggravate.
armor. Neutralize.
Mm.
Pigments. Right. Okay. So that's that.
Yay, bug report gone.
Yay.
Why do you bump the version every time you do a bug report?
Because that's how versioning functions.
Well, I mean, like, why can't you do like 4 bugs in one version? I know why,
I
but
could
yeah.
I could if I want.
Well, I know, but then if it doesn't actually fix, and then you're like, well, fuck, I don't know which bug is making the problem, and then it becomes a mess, and then like I know why, but
Also, yeah, because now let's say we were public, right? We had 10,000 downloads. We released one update, the next, right? Fixing 4 issues. And then suddenly someone calls in a bug report, right? That's why we ask for the version number, because then we know what has changed from version 12 to 13. And it's if this number changed, it's just a small thing that happened, so it's probably easy to fix. If this, it's a bit larger issue. And if this fixed, it's a whole new feature and something completely reworked, and this is just like the release version.
right,
So I'm thinking this hits 1.0 when we release it.
right.
And once we release phase 2, 2.0 and phase 3 to 3.0.
Right.
So what exactly are you working on right now?
Not sure
Squashing
yet.
the bugs.
Ah, alright.
Right, but he just smushed one bug, so we don't know which bug he wants to work on next yet.
Ah, right, okay.
I'm excited. I get euros for dinner.
Ooh.
Euros from my favorite place.
I'm still waiting a call. That's late though. Like, if actually no, not really, but like I was supposed to go to bed like around this time because I wake up for work tomorrow. My dad still haven't called, and if it's like, let's say another hour, and then I have to go, and then it's 12 a.m. suddenly.
Why? What does he need so badly?
They're out drinking,
Oh, so
so
you're
they need a
the
ride.
designated driver.
Yes.
Ooh, gross. Why'd you agree to do that?
Got free. Got a free meal.
I hate being the designated driver. I mean, I always am because I don't drink, but yeah.
Like for my parents, I don't. The one time they finally ask, right? I'm like, okay.
Oh yeah,
Because
that makes sense.
you know how many times they've driven me to football or
Star,
school
you
or
have
gym.
background noise.
Oh, I do? Hang on, that's probably from my window. I'll shut that.
Donkashane. Ducky.
Don't know.
Ducky.
There, I has shut the window.
Can you hear that?
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear that.
Wow.
Well, don't do that. That's
Right.
copyrighted music. We'll get
It's definitely.
we'll get the video taken down. I think you can have
True.
like maximum of 10 seconds or something.
Yeah, you can't have it.
I don't know. I heard it
Western
off Game
barrels,
Grumps.
right? But the Western barrels, I had in game, so I don't know why they're not in game. Suddenly,
I don't know either.
because
I went to go
I
put them down and they're just gone.
I remembered I did the shearing part. And Western, no, wait, what? Barrel block. It's just a barrel block. All right, I just commented them out because the half barrel thingy, because we just added 16 colors. So which color should it drop?
White.
Right. Okay.
Which means we would have to have. Which means we would have to have recipes per 16 colors. Probably just add a dye to it.
Yeah,
Simple as
just
that.
dye it. So these two can then be SWEM blocks, half barrels, start again with the dye color dot white get ID again. And then re-add these. What are you complaining about? Here. Oops. There we go. So that means we then can go in here, initialization, SWEM blocks. So apparently the Western barrel doesn't exist. Wow. Date post placement on block placed by. Anyways. Let's see. So if I go in here, I go.
I'm glad that piglin bug was a really easy one to get rid of. I mean, it technically wasn't a bug, it was just an oversight, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
We still gotta test it. Which is good, which means new things to play with.
Yick. Oh. What am I come to bring my sugar and tea?
Can you see if there's any questions on the stream? Because I'm sitting in my bed currently because I'm super tired, just watching the stream, and I can't
No.
see it from here. Rude.
Wait, so you're watching the YouTube stream?
No, I'm watching your stream. And then
Okay.
I'm streaming your stream.
Nice.
So the
Should be,
Western barrels are back in?
Should be. Let me see
Okay.
how it works.
Oh, you're still loading up.
Okay.
Okay. Almost your entire thing is green.
Blocks of raw gold.
I didn't know that was a thing.
You can. Well. Oh, raw. That's right, because the ores have been revamped.
Right.
What the fuck?
Also, gray was not turned to gray. I noticed that this morning.
What? Exception loading structure piece with ID Minecraft jigsaw. Exception generating new chunk. Concurrent modifier. I don't. No? I don't understand.
Oh yeah, a lot of the web guards had backwards textures.
Oop.
They're basically just on the opposite side, so they're placed correctly. They were just on the opposite side. So if you just switch them out, which whenever I say if you just, that usually means it requires 15 more steps than I think it does, but don't worry about it. Excuses.
So this happen with any world then.
Oh.
Interesting. But the thing is, it might have made the nether crash though.
Yay.
Right, okay. So let's actually try and see if it broke. Well, are you good?
You good, bro?
I think I need to find a piglin. Oh, it's peaceful, right? Are you gonna crash on me? Oh, okay. Gotcha, cool. Um,
Smooth.
like the new nethers, I can't figure out. Once I leave it. Like, I could just build a new one, right? But oh, okay, fair enough. Bum. I've been on my own for long enough. So Western Barrel back in.
And working. Don't forget the recipes. I meant write a
which one?
note for someone else to do it or you do it later, but sure, we can do it now.
Which recipes?
For the white barrel to be turned into the other colors.
Yuck.
So the half barrel needs half barrel white plus blue dye, half barrel white plus light blue dye, blah 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 blah
Half
blah.
barrel, so green.
You gonna do a data gen or whatever?
Path 1, so that's SWEM. Oh, but it's not assets, so it's data, SWEM, recipes. There we go. That's the one, right? Data, SWEM, recipes, yes. So it's half barrel. Oh, JSON, and we basically F is the right file, so let's quickly take a simple example of a non. I need no shaped crafting. Shapeless, there we go. So we do this, crafting is shapeless, and we group it by half barrel. We put the ingredients being a SWEM half barrel white and a item of SWEM half barrel underscore color. There we go, and it turns 1. And we need a Minecraft, and then that's what, just blue dye, basically the color and then dye.
Mm-hmm.
Dye, okay, right. So color underscore dye. And real quickly, we're going to take the white out.
Hmm.
We're going to take the recipe for white out because
Right. Because there's no need for it.
exactly, there we go. Put that back in, and that's it. Great.
Yay! Another one gone. Are you just gonna go drive over there and say, "Hey, I'm picking you up now"?
Most likely not.
So I mean, you gotta go to work in the morning.
Right, yeah, but if I go to sleep now, I get like 11.5 hours.
Oh. Okay.
Would be nice though, but how could they say what our life?
What's next on your
Yeah.
list?
Don't know.
I mean, there seems to be a lot of baby things that you're taking care of, so that makes it nice.
What did I do here? Get dev. That's the Western barrel, right? Yeah. Damn. What happened here? Like, I should really add like a quick command for like saying add version, basically.
I mean, at this point, yeah.
Because I keep doing for every single thing, I have to go like 6 back, add build.gradle, and go 4 back resources meta infant mods.toml. And then I can just write my commit message, whatever, but just for adding those paths.
You know what you should add?
No.
You should add a insta tame and a insta tack up. That's what you should do.
Well, currently I have like the function SWEM tack up, which gives you like the 4 necessary pieces.
Oh, that's nice.
I was looking into like leveling up, basically giving XP or so. But since it's not really easy to add the person you're looking at, because
I just
I
meant
cannot.
mostly like for the horse, like you just like sit on its back and do like slash tame, and then like sit on its back and slash tack up, or something, and then just have it
But
immediately put on all the tack. So you don't have to
right,
sit
but
and do it every time.
sitting on it and then quickly writing function SWEM tame before getting kicked off,
Yeah.
quite difficult.
Or you can make it smaller than that. I mean, I don't know. Plugins do it. Like function, so it would be FST.
No, I can do something like, let's say slash yeet basically, right?
Right?
And that would, so slash tame basically could I do?
Yeah, exactly.
Um,
That would go against a lot of plugins, but yeah, we could do our own. You could do like slash dev tame or slash dev tack up or something. Because I know
yeah,
those don't exist. And there you go. Then you wouldn't ever have to do it again.
true. So let's quickly go back here. Cat dot.
What about cats?
It's basically something like, it's cat dot short. Oh, what's it called? Terminal shortcuts. Cat terminal shortcuts, basically. So nano dot terminal shortcuts. Function add version. I could actually do something with saying this is bash function with arguments. No. Right, that's agreed. So $1.
What? What are we talking
So
about?
if I do echo $1 and I save this, and then I have to do I think I should just restart again. Right, okay, awesome. So basically what we can do is we can go and say git add, just so we could do it within any directory. What the fuck? Have I? What?
Did you just
Slash
break something?
code slash
Oh, there
Java
we go.
slash Minecraft. No, it should actually just be out here. Build done. Gradle. Let's check. Build a Gradle, yeah. So that can I no. Git add slash code slash Java slash Minecraft mod slash swim slash build dot Gradle. No. Source main. No, it's source main, yeah, resources. Resources slash meta dash int slash mods dot toml. Or okay, dot toml. Then we could do git commit tag m with bumped $1 version. And I'm guessing that might be have to go and quote this. $name. One minus 25. Oh, with the default value. So do I really have to put it in it, or does this work? Actually, we can quickly test something. Function test echo hello $1.
Mic off.
There we go. So let's do get, and then we do test hello. Okay, right. So it works. So now I can just write add underscore version and basically do patch major or minor. And it adds the two build files like build Gradle and mods.toml,
Mic
and
on.
it commits with bumped minor patch major version. Nice. What? Cherry picking. What the fuck? Please.
What?
There we go. Okay. Yeah.
Tack up, tack up, tack up, tack up, tack up. You know you want to.
Commands.
Just a simple
As-
command.
Okay, I can do one here. So we're going to make a Java class called dev command,
Ooh.
and inside here we're just gonna copy paste this, guys. There you go. Okay, so commands literal. The first thing is basically gonna be dev. So slash dev, and then we can have several options. So if we do dev and we do tack up, or just dev tack up, tack up, it should execute with the CTX. Horse has been tacked up. Chief. Right, okay,
Oh
so
my god.
first
Your horse has been tacked up, sir. Do it. Do it.
see as player. What? Okay. Your horse has been tacked up,
Sir.
sir.
With the accent. Put the accent in code, I dare you. I don't know how that would work. I don't know. I'm just being a butt at this point.
As player, so server player entity player is equals to that, right? And then we do player dot get writing entity writing equals this. Who wrote me a message? Right. So we drove my dad and his girlfriend to that thing around
Mic off.
12 p.m., right? And it was a beer tasting, and the beer tasting started at 2 p.m. and it ended 6 p.m. And then they said they bought in and they were gonna grill some stuff right afterwards. So maybe let's add 2 hours, right? So that's 8 p.m. It's now
Mic on.
close to 11 p.m. and he just texted me and he's like, "Yeah, so how late do you want to pick up, or else we just call a cab?" I was like, I don't think it becomes a problem. So if riding is an instance of SWEM horse entity base, we cast it to a SWEM horse. SWEM horse entity base, call this horse is riding. And then we do horse dot set in again. The thing is, if this would mess it up, right? Because if I on the server side just set the horse inventory, because up here, that's the right clicking. Anyways, we can try it now. If case doesn't matter for me. So that's an inventory. So we can do inventory dot set inventory slots content. So that is basically the container. So where's inventory container? So the index 1, no, index 0 is bridle. So 0 with a SWEM item style Western bridle black. Not get right. No, that's stack. As stack. 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 Ho. So that's basically the item. Oh, and you have to make a new item stack of this then. New item stack with this. And then we do boop, 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 because we basically need 4. So that should then be bridle, blanket, saddle, and girth strap. So that's 1, 2, 3, 6. No, so 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2. No, so 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Oh, he's gone again.
Right there. Oh, sorry. Wait, that's Danish.
Huh?
I was just like being like, what do you mean in Danish? Out of some
What if I do for you for meeting?
what?
What if I do for you for meeting?
What if I did you me thing?
Nothing. Never
It's
mind.
because it basically just sounds like mumble, even though it's plain English, right?
Is it?
It is. What
Sure.
goes into slot 1? Blanket. Then we have the slot 2, which is a saddle. Western saddle. And then we have the girth strap. So Western girth strap.
Do you have to specify a color?
Yeah.
Well, since you're dev, you might as well make it orange. What color is it now?
Black.
Hmm.
Index 5, right? So that's that. So basically this should hopefully work. But it will either way say your horse has been tacked up, sir.
I think it's funny.
That will be awesome.
I'm guessing it most likely won't show up on the outside of the horse until you open the inventory.
No. I guess we'll find out then, won't we?
Yeah. What the fuck is guys?
It looks like juice with a G.
Yeah.
Mic off. Mic on.
All right. You have to register the commands.
Mm. So now I gotta redo it all.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're redoing it all, do you want to do a slash tame too? Would that be harder or easier? Now I'm getting all sorts of ideas. Like
Oh.
slash dev tack up, slash dev tame, slash dev max stat. Just do everything.
Mm.
So this could work, right? This might be weird, like with the tame, if you're close to 2, but it should like do at least 1 if you just get this one with like the closest entity.
I mean, that would also be when you're riding it, so
Now this would actually be standing on the ground
why?
because when you tame, you get kicked off, and it's
If you say so. In most plugins, it's slash tame.
yeah. But I think they neglect the fact that the horse kicks you off before it's tame,
Well, yeah, but the horse
or like
usually take like 2 seconds to do it. It's not common that they do it immediately over and over and over again. However, SWEM horse will most likely because they'll be bucking and kicking once those animations function. Oh,
Oh, it worked.
and it even shows up. How beautiful, right?
gorgeous. And I'm loving that orange on that white horse. A little bright, but I'm down for it.
Get closest entity. T extends living entity. So get closest entity with the SWEM horse entity based on class. Then we need a entity predicate. Oh, how do you do that? Entity.
You got this. Somehow. I don't understand any of that.
I think it's just basically doing entity predicate.
Ow.
So set custom predicate. So I'm guessing this basically is just a simple thing called new entity predicate, where we said the distance, maybe let's say to 16.0.
16
Hopefully.
blocks.
Living entity, so the player. Let's just pump this down to 8 then. And the X, Y, and C. Where's X, Y, and C used? It's not even nice. It's not even used. Oh. X, Y, and C. That's because it creates an axis line ABB. How that suddenly comes, oh. X, Y, C, but I don't get. So it has 1, 2, and 3 fields, right? 1, 2, and 3 fields. There's nothing with. Nice, okay. Let's just try and player, and let's just try and do something like 6, 6, 6. What else? No? Oh, wait, what do you need then? Class. Doubled, and an axis aligned bounding box. But is this in the position? Oh, it gets the distance square from the target 1 to X, Y, C. So I'm guessing it's maybe the player coordinates. I'm hoping it's,
I'm gonna go make lunch. I shall return.
Okay.
Mic off.
double, double, double.
Wait, is Hannah still streaming?
I think so.
Okay. I was like, wait a minute.
So if I summon a SWEM and I do dev tame, absolutely.
Oh my god, with an accent.
Oh, I don't know how you color code in Minecraft. Oh, because of mine. Do you have to escape those now? No, you don't. Double escapes? So the taming doesn't work. Get entities within. Hmm. I guess a 7x7 radius. Get entities within AAB. So basically I'm thinking this, right? Does this actually return a mob list? Assistant entity list. Oh, this is horse entity base. Haha.
Oh, did it work?
Yes, it actually even works on horses that already has been tamed, but
Oh.
so don't use it near other people's horses. I could
Oh.
actually just make a check if horse is not equals to null. If horse is tame, if horse is not tame, then tame it. So basically saying if other people have already claimed this horse, don't tame it. Okay, awesome. I could just do a simple.
Mic
I'm
on.
back. Anything happen while I was gone? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Anything happen while I was gone?
B, would you like to repeat?
But Legend made it so you can tame horses with command.
Yay!
It
And it
actually
even
tames
says with an accent.
yeah.
With an
It even
accent.
it tames multiple horses around you actually.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's extra cool.
So you can just run into the center of a herd and tame everything. Like
Yeah.
it's God.
Yeah, basically.
How did I get faster? I don't have any food. Okay, very cool.
We have 23 new people today.
Nice.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's a big
wow.
number.
So what's the member count?
I had
actually?
I had another person text me like, "Where the hell are you getting all these people from?" And I'm like, "Haha, live stream."
Actually, we're 374 members now. That's pretty solid, actually. for
Must have
something
been a
not
number.
released.
Right?
Because I don't know how long RHG have been out, but they have like 450, I think.
Who?
Realistic question.
Realistic Horse Genetics.
Oh, right.
Jinx.
Oh, damn it.
Right, so this should not. Nice.
With the accent? Oh my god.
So tack up, and we should be able. Oh, we should be able to do /dev max level.
Oh, you even did that one too.
Oh.
Sure.
So health is not working, and willing is not like thingy.
Yeah, that's acting a little funky. Just saying.
Mic off.
What level is the highest affinity level? So it got to willing. I just don't get it because that's exactly the same as this.
Ooh, there's some gold. I need to get some.
Oh, because it sets the XP to the excess XP. Right. Fair enough. No, that's not an issue. It's just manipulating with this kind of. It is. And now the gallops work again, right?
Is
Mic
the gallop
on.
actually working, or is it still being weird?
It is. Yeah.
Damn it! I thought you said you. Damn it! I was
No,
hoping
it
I would
is
fix it.
working. It is working. I'm telling you.
Oh, so it is.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I want to test it. I want to see.
Mic off. Mic on.
It's been broken for so long. I want to see with my own two special eyes. That was such a weird commercial.
Mic off.
A commercial.
No idea
Mic
what you're
on.
talking about.
1 second. I'm eating lunch.
Actually, you're not even looking.
Yes, I am. I'm right here.
So you did see it.
Kind of. I can only see like the head moving a little bit, but the head really wasn't the hard part or the wrong part.
Oh, I'm talking. Oh, I was talking about just the animation playing in general.
Oh no.
The animation
I think
played. It
I'm
was
a
just
bit
broken.
lost. Oh no.
It does play
That
Yeah, that one
where I
looks
fell in.
better. If you go into F5.
because it doesn't go into T pose.
I can't.
No, when the horse runs, it doesn't go into T pose, but it doesn't run fully.
Let me
Like
up.
its legs just don't
Let me
work
up.
properly.
Where did I even fall in? Where? Is this where I fell in? I think so. I think so. Hope so. Okay, I can build up. This is above me, so like right. Oh,
Oh, look at it.
oh, I just did.
Looks fine to me.
Yeah, we'll check it in game.
Yeah.
With the accent. Oh, you want to try swim in lava? That sounds like a fun one.
Ooh.
Because it's everything you did in normal swimming, but lava.
It actually, yes. In theory,
In theory, it's always easy.
it should be pretty simple, actually.
Because, I mean, you already did swimming. You already have everything doing exactly as it should.
I'm
It's
not. I'm
just
gonna
needs
remove all
to
of these now.
move over a little bit.
Oh, come on.
Mic off.
Alright, I do have to do that. I'm gonna
Not annotated parameter overrides parameters are not null by default parameter.
Oh no, my pickaxe is gonna break soon. Oh no. Oh no, I can't let it break. I don't have anything to break things with it.
I don't know. Actually, no, I'm not gonna.
Oh crap.
Let's see. Take, right, so take.
Oh, this is the way out. Oh, I can't break so much stone. I only have a couple of uses left. Please. Please. Oh no.
But this should only, so basically we need a second one of these. So if this is in lava and this done, actually know what, we can bump this method into the that should be with diamond. So diamond, take diamond armor, right? So here,
Okay.
after this is on ground, we can after that check this is in lava. Actually, we can do an else if, because if it's on ground, it can't be in lava.
Kitty, please. Please let me up.
And this is if it's not being written. So under travel, this
Oh, come on.
they only have an ice in water. They don't have an ice in. It's kind of.
No, no, I'm so close. Please don't let me die. Oh, score. Oh, there's a village. Oh.
So it's basically ice fluid level if it's in lava. What about is in water? And this is used where accessors. So writing to the field. Update ice in water or ice in fluid.
Oh, I want the yellow one. There's going over there. Oh, school. I'm gonna die out here. No, the fence is so sad.
Mic on.
That was a terrible lunch.
Really?
What was a terrible lunch?
My leftover breakfast.
Oh. That was a pretty bad lunch.
Burnt toast.
Burnt?
Cold hash browns, cold eggs. I mean, the eggs and hash browns weren't too bad. But the burnt toast, that was in some syrup because of the whatever it's called and not buttered.
Oh.
Oof.
Why would you
I
take
want
the
to play
burnt
with
toast?
stuff. I'm watching you dev things. I want to play with it.
Being a big bitch.
Ugh.
I need to grab some food while I'm up here. Apples! I need those. Yeah, give me all those.
So that is basically coming from something unblock harvested. No.
Does this make? Yeah, it does make that. Oops. Sorry, don't mean to tamper with block. Alright, I think that's everything I can get. I have no food though. No, whatever, I'll be fine. Oh yeah, I do need to
New on Reds. More arrivals.
Eat a child. Oh dear.
Harvest blocks, basically.
Go away. Alright, I'm gonna need oh, I'll just take the cobble out of here, I guess.
So how many people are we at? We're at 357 now.
That's a big number.
357. Isn't it 374? I have 375.
It must be outdated then, because like I usually look at the permanent invite link in official FAQ. In official FAQ. There you go. Oh, even for you, it's still updated. Maybe?
You're just not cool.
I don't know, it's showing 357 for me.
Yeah, I have 375 too. I think you're just
Maybe
not
it
cool
like
enough to give me the
reloads.
numbers. Fuck. There you are. Okay.
Sorry, B, are you saying something?
Oh no, I was talking to my dog.
Okay.
So unblock harvested, that might be called too, and I think it's because we call it here unblock harvested. No, that's not the one. So basically after this we basically call spawn drops for the block state world and the block position. The state, world, in, and pause. Care door block. What you know about rolling down in the deep? People talk too much, but that shit's slow motion. So that would be the same case for all the half ones. Half care door block. Ocean. I'm like, yeah, that's true. Unblock harvesting. So the half door block. So let's get a web guard. Let's get a web guard. This one, this size, and this. Nice.
Ah, yes.
So
The
care
errors.
doesn't drop. Nice. White doesn't drop. Rider doesn't drop. Nice. Which is funny because it should just work. 2 usages, web guard. Or do we even have the, no, we don't have the web guards. So the door block would not be, but this one does. Needed. I'm hoping. So if I do this, this.
Alright, we're halfway to the 17th. The invite contest is
Yay.
still going on.
Who's leading?
Hmm?
Who's leading?
I don't know.
Does Peachy count?
No, she doesn't want to count.
Gotcha.
Let's see. We have 1 invite there, 5 invites there. Someone has Legend, his X5 VQHTX has had 67 people join in because of it.
Just clapping.
Noise.
That was before the contest started.
Yeah, but also the one I gave to Peachy, so like 25 of those came from the streamers, maybe
Right,
less. I
right.
don't know, but yeah. Which is also the one came from Chilito.
We'll see. I'm just reminding everyone of the contest because it's not over yet. And maybe out of the 30 new people, maybe they know people. So I'm just kind of letting them know that it's here.
Oh no, but they're pretty. I want to kill them.
Ooh, they're from Germany. Hey, Legend, you wanna drop
What?
in that link for translations?
What for translations?
Yeah, we don't have anyone
Oh,
from Germany
right.
yet.
Oh.
I'm joking.
Just
They've been in the server for 10 seconds. Don't ask them to work. Or, I
hint,
guess.
hint.
Oh my god.
I only see European languages on here. Damn, you dudes don't really do any work, do you?
What?
I see Danish, Dutch, Swedish, French, and Polish. Sorry.
Yeah?
And a Dane did this, so you know the odds are against the US here.
For what?
Not contributing to the translations document.
Alright, well, you know what? As far as I'm concerned, the US is what's bringing this mod to life, so fuck right off.
We could just make it in Danish, like.
Ugh, no. Not happening. If I can't read my own mod, I'm gonna be pissed.
There's something where I'm like, I have no fucking like pasture. I'm like,
You can just pasture could be the same as field. I mean,
yeah, but I know there's a specific
paddock?
word for it.
It's your own language.
Yeah, but I don't fucking know every word in Danish.
It's a basic word.
Speak English can't even speak English, alright? That's mean.
Exactly.
Yeah, like, look at me, I mess up all the time.
My first language is English, and I can barely form a sentence.
Yeah, English is my one and only language, and I mess up all the time too, so.
Oh, so that's why those are that way. So
That's
is
what
that
it
why
is.
things are named in their whatever it's called in their IDs because they're not in the translation document?
Yes.
Or are they not in the translation document?
Because I haven't added them yet.
Well, where's the translation document? I'll do it.
Oh,
I'll put in some work for Inglosho. Give me that Inglosho. Yeah.
We basically we basically need the web guards, each color, and the half barrels, from what I know right now.
Where's my?
I think the rest, like these here, I added
Where's my
last
condoms?
night. I don't
Why
know if
is
there's more. But...
item.swem.adventure saddle 1 in red?
Because that was the names where it was like, don't translate these because it might not end up. And as you see, they are not in games.
Well, where are the originals in game? Because can't those be removed?
Well, yeah, these can be removed.
My furnace. No. Where'd it go? Ow. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Because I mean,
Oh, here it is. Found it.
because I mean, it's adventure saddle, glow adventure saddle, and the other one now.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't have anything to make it.
Apparently,
Yay! Worked.
someone didn't know how to do that. They didn't know how to translate fuel block, rubber mats, and Contazarite. Well, yeah, you can't really translate what doesn't exist.
Exactly. So WebGuard white care. So it's color.
Alright. I'm gonna smelt the rest of his.
Just
food
red.
as well. See if there's anything to eat. Can I steal your food, villagers? I'm hungry.
So,
Give me your
red
food.
pasture gate care.
No, but it should be like 10. What's 10? Black.
Give me
9.
no more. Okay. Give me.
No. 11. No, so that's
Sorry, I don't mean to stir the
25,
pot, but man, I'm hungry.
26, 25, 24, 24. Oh, okay, right. So it has to be in order. So it's basically 10, C59. So that's WebGuard. So we need WebGuard somewhere. We can add a row above, say web. No, I have that already. So we do C652 and remove this. Like that, black web guard, and then we have to do care horse care rider. So inside one below, let's call that rider.
It has to be
Does
capital.
that offset everything?
Probably if it's
There you go.
unsafe, seeing as I'm half dead.
That doesn't offset. Nice. Okay, so basically go down. That was 52 if I recall correctly. So it's black web guard join with C50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So like that. Why is this in a different? Oh, this is standard. That annoys my soul. 10. Standard area. Like that. Okay. So black rider. Basically do this. And lock this color in as well. 10. And then go here and do 58. 57. 58. Right, so basically
Those are
copy
switched.
paste these.
It's care horse
care,
rider, not rider horse care.
Like that. Okay, so basically copy paste and then go in and adjust that C10 value, the first field.
What?
That's basically it.
What?
Like in here, you can see up in the formula field.
I'm looking for white. White
No,
is
no,
24.
these out here need to be changed. Because that would just be easier. So it's black and then go down list.
What?
So it starts out with, let me read.
Now you just made it harder.
So it's block, swim,
Don't complain, Hannah.
I'm
web guard,
complaining.
black care,
Being a baby.
I am.
horse, rider, and off you go.
I don't understand. I mean, you didn't make anything make sense. You just put it back.
What? No. This is now black instead of white, so it needs to go black, blue,
Oh,
brown,
oh.
which is just, if you make these first, it should be easy because that's just incrementing the value, and
Well, did you fix all the gray then? Because the gray wasn't fixed.
I should have fixed them in this document, because if you search for, it should be gray with an A, right?
Yeah.
And if you search gray with an A, it comes up with 88 results. And if you search it with an E, it comes with 0 results.
Well, yeah, Piggy. Well, yeah, but I don't know. We have the built version and it didn't work.
Yeah, but it might not have updated then correctly. I don't know.
Give me wool. Oh, you're so stinky.
I can't do
Okay,
jack
so
shit.
I'll have to go in like 6 minutes.
I can't do anything. It's not letting me do anything.
What do you mean? Uh,
Now it's letting me do like one thing, but it wasn't letting me do it before.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's not letting me do anything anymore.
how did I set up the
Oh well, another
like
time. You're leaving in 6 minutes anyway. Probably 5 now, because it's 5:35. You've been streaming
it's
for a
because
hot
you're
minute.
not logged in.
I'm pretty sure I'm logged in.
No. Are you?
Yeah.
Kitty.
Anyways, okay.
Oh well. Are you gonna give the built version or?
I can.
Yes.
Uh,
Stuff to play with. Stuff to play with. And if you could
Ooh.
give us a list of what you had changed or fixed in the last 2, I would like to specifically go one by one and test them.
Legend's giving us a new toy.
Yeah.
in the last 2.
Yes.
What do you mean?
The last update from like yesterday or whatever, you didn't give us a update log or whatever.
Today, and you posted 6th of 5th.
Yeah, remember you
So
gave us a
that's
built
here.
version yesterday.
Yeah,
that we
but
were
that's
supposed to use
just the
today.
0.2.5. Okay, right. So anything from
that was
0.5 up to 0.11, and then from
There it
11
is.
to now.
Yeah. Stuff.
Commit added commands.
Oh, now my belly starts hurting. I have a big greasy Euro meal with like feta cheese and everything yesterday, and now my belly hurts like 24 hours later.
Update is
That's the suck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really love you.
Alright, when Legend gets off, we will end stream, because I actually forgot that was running.
Me.
Which I should probably check that, in case people have been messaging us.
no.
Oh, okay, good. Well, not good, but yeah. Our maximum was
And
5
now I
people
can do.
this time.
See,
What?
see if I go. See here, right? This
Yeah.
is amazing things I just did, right?
Uh-huh,
So
I'm
if I go
seeing.
mods.toml and I go 16, and I go here and I go 16, and I do add version patch, right? Right
Yeah.
here. Here, I'll take it, give it a sec here. Let's just go in, find the alpha fixes. Boom, bumped patch version with the two
Oh. Look
one
at you
like
go.
3 type things instead of having to git add dot dot tab 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 build a Gradle.
Like your funny words, Magic Man.
Nice.
Go
Anyways,
away. Go away.
Wait,
Go away.
build
alright,
version.
build.
Right.
Yeah.
I
I
wanna
will
play.
get around to it,
I wanna play.
like the update log, either when I get home or.
Right. It's important because I want to make sure to test everything that you say is fixed. So that way, well, we can have it ready to go for the next time that you start deving.
Gotcha.
Yay, new build version.
Yeah.
Woo.
Alright, I have enough for it. Might as
I
well.
want the 3 people to be watching to be us 3.
I mean, one of them is me, so.
One of them is me.
God damn it! B,
One
are
of
you
them
doing
is
it?
me. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's literally us.
Oh no.
Oh my
Nice.
god. You know what? Screw off. Legend. Send in fucking chat.
Oh, there's 5.
Hmm.
There you go. I forget. Let me go check.
2.16.
Yeah.
Smooth. Very smooth. Ah, Caitlin's still here. Caitlin is with us. Woo!
Oh.
Yay! All right, Caitlin. For you specifically, we are gonna stop the stream because it's like almost 6 p.m. So we've been streaming for almost 6 hours.
Really?
Legend viewed, seen chat. Anyway, so we'll be staying in Discord call, probably testing things and like testing the new version. You're welcome to join us in Discord if you would like. I'll type it just in case this isn't getting it because sometimes the chat just tells me no.
Yeah.
Staying in Discord.
Are you actually in the Discord, Catalan?
Oh, okay.
I don't know if they are. If you'd like to join us. If I can spell.
I don't think you can spell very well, Hannah.
I don't know what their Discord tag is, so I have no idea if they're in the Discord.
Yeah.
I don't know either.
Well, we have the link to the Discord under every video, so if they wanna chill with us, they can. I mean,
Yeah.
easy peasy.
And we're
lemon squeezy.
basically talking almost every day, /streaming, /showing, I don't know.
Yeah, just about. So I mean, if you wanna get closer to Legend, because of how cute he is, apparently. There you go. He does have a girlfriend, I think. You still got that girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, he's
do.
taken. You ain't Polly, are you?
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Polly.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's a
Yeah,
dumb
low
joke.
poly. Yeah, are you low poly?
Yes. Are you low poly? How many faces you got?
Nice.
Alrighty.
By the way, I will be going.
Alrighty. Bye bye.
Alright.
Bye.
Stream is going to shut down as soon as it has like a 30-second delay, so I don't really know if I wait or I don't know if I wait or not. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm just gonna do me some of this.